A blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourself as we embark, learn, and enjoy this video. This time we study the professional education, Philippine educational system, education during the Japanese era. Be safe, and God bless you always. This is Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Education during the Japanese era, 1943 to 1945. Edukasyon noong panahon ng Hapon, 1943 hanggang 1945. Japanese educational policies were embodied in Military Order No. 2 in 1942. The Philippine Executive Commission established the Commission of Education, Health and Public Welfare and Schools were reopened in June 1942. On October 14, 1943, the Japanese-sponsored republic created the Ministry of Education. Under the Japanese regime, the teaching of Tagalog, Philippine history, and character education was reserved for Filipinos. Love for work and dignity of labor was emphasized. On February 27, 1945, the Department of Instruction was made part of the Department of Public Instruction. Ang mga patakarang pang-edukasyon ng mga Hapones ay nakapaloob sa kautosang militar BLG. Dalawa noong 1942. Itinatag ng Komisyon ng Tagapagpaganap ng Pilipinas ang Komisyon ng Edukasyon, Kalusugan, at Kagalingang Pampubliko at muling binuksan ang mga paaralan noong Hunyo taong 1942. Noong ika-14 ng Oktubre taong 1943, nilikha ng Republika na itinataguyod ng Hapones ang Ministry ng Edukasyon. Sa ilalim ng rehimeng Hapones, ang pagtuturo ng Tagalog, Philippine history, at character education ay nakalaan para sa mga Pilipino. Ang pagmamahal sa trabaho at dignidad ng paggawa ay binigyang diin. Noong ika-27 ng Pebrero taong 1945, ang kagawaran ng pagtuturo ay ginawang bahagi ng kagawaran ng pampublikong pagtuturo. Aims, to strive for the diffusion of the Japanese language in the Philippines and to terminate the use of the English language in schools to stress the dignity of manual labor. Layunin, upang pagsikapan ang pagpapalaganap ng wikang Hapon sa Pilipinas at wakasan ang paggamit ng wikang Ingles sa mga paaralan upang bigyang diin ang dignidad of manual labor. Contents, vocational, technical, agriculture, values rooted in love for labor, physical education and singing Japanese songs, health, vocational education. Mga nilalaman, bokasyonal, teknikal, agrikultura, mga pagpapahalagang nakaugat sa pagmamahal sa paggawa, pisikal na edukasyon at pag-awit ng mga awiting Hapones, edukasyong pangkalusugan, bokasyonal.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on professional education, Philippine educational system. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.